Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkoor Ali, and we all know about the Cash App Referral program, where you get free money by inviting friends. But what if I told you that there are other ways to get free money on Cash App without using any referral code? In this video, I will show you 3 smart and legit methods to earn extra cash on Cash App without inviting anyone. Stay tuned till the end. To understand the step-by-step process of these 3 methods, we are referring to an article from the Garbage Loan Guide website. This article explains several ways to get free money on Cash App. Today, we will talk about the 3 methods that can help you earn free money on Cash App without using any referral code. When we scroll down in this article, we can see the referral code method explained with the help of screenshots. You will find the link to this article in the description below, where you can read all these methods in detail. As you can see, there's a subheading titled How to Get Free Money on Cash App Without a Referral Code. Under this subheading, 2 methods are explained. The first method is participate in Cash App weekly giveaways. It says Cash App hosts regular giveaways on their official Twitter and Instagram pages. They announce these giveaways with a simple post and clear instructions how to participate. Like, comment, and sometimes share their giveaway posts on the Cash App official pages. Drop your cash tag in the comments as requested. Wait and see if you are selected. Winners usually get free money directly in their Cash App balance. After that, you can see a screenshot showing a Twitter handle where a weekly giveaway is posted along with some instructions. If you want to join these giveaways, make sure to follow the instructions carefully. You can earn a decent amount of free money by doing this. The second method is look for special Cash App promotions. It explains that on the official Cash App website, different companies offer promotions. These include rewards, discounts, and cashback when you use your Cash App card. To take advantage of these offers, visit the official Cash App website. The screenshot shown is also taken from the official Cash App site. Apart from these 2 methods, if we scroll down further in the article, we find a third method that explains how to earn free money on Cash App by playing games. It says there are other platforms where you can play games and then withdraw earnings to your Cash App account. One popular app is Mistplay. It's a great gaming platform where you earn points by playing games. After collecting enough points, you can redeem them for Visa gift cards. Then, you can add those gift cards to your Cash App balance. Here's how it works, step by step. Download the app. Go to the Google Play Store and search for Mistplay. Download and install the app. Create an account. Sign up using your email or Google account. Choose and play games. Mistplay will show you a list of games you can earn points from. Pick any game you like and start playing. Earn points. The more you play, the more points you earn. You'll earn points faster if you level up or play for longer. Redeem gift cards. Once you have enough points, go to the rewards section. Choose a Visa gift card and redeem it. You can then add this Visa gift card to your Cash App. So, these are the 3 methods that you can use to earn free money on Cash App without using any referral code.